Come with us to see how easy it is to upgrade your house or apartment using ALFIstick self-adhesive stone veneer. Installation is simple and dust-free. You don't need any special tools or adhesives. You'll save money by not having to hire a professional installer. The veneer perfectly withstands moisture and high temperatures. The veneer can be applied to a plaster wall, drywall, wood, or even a ceramic tiling wall. You can choose from several types of natural stone and color variations. If you need to shorten the veneer, use a diamond wheel grinding machine, with which you can achieve a high precision cut. Minor adjustments can be done with shears, and any unevenness can be resolved using a file. Adjusting the veneer is simple, fast, and involves minimal dust. Working with the ALFIstick adhesive stone veneer is really fast, simple, and you'll save on glue and professional work.